Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add Roblox to your Discord activity status. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. To add Roblox to your Discord activity status, open Discord guys. Click on the user settings, click on the gear icon. On left side you just need to scroll down. Select activity privacy. On right side you just need to turn on the display current activity as a status message. You just need to turn it on. After doing this, either the web or Microsoft Store version of Roblox will trigger your Discord activity status and showing that you are currently playing Roblox. It will display that message to your Discord friends on your PC and mobile guys. Now you just need to open Roblox. In case it's not changing, then make sure that Roblox is still running on our PC guys, and head back to Discord user settings, and you just need to search the registered games. You should see that Roblox is running in here guys. If you not see that Roblox is running, you just need to click on add it guys. You just need to search for Roblox in here and click on add it guys. It will then show up in this list added games below. In registered games section, you can also choose to enable or disable the Discord overlay while in your game. You can turn it on or off. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.